Exporting data from MySQL. We have already created a database connection and the directory to export data into. There are two ways of exporting data from database: by using transformation or by using package export action. Let us create new transformation. We will call it export. Assigning data reader properties. Connection type is MySQL. Connection name is Sakila. Selecting source table. There is no need for the validator. Assigning data writer properties. Connection type is a text file. Connection name is buffer. The file format is delimited. Mapping data. Ready to run the export. This example works well if we have limited number of tables to export, but what about if we want to export hundreds of tables? There is another way of doing it by using package export action. That way we can export the entire database with one click. Let me show how. Using mask. Using dynamic file name. Ready to run the package. All done. Here are the data files. Thank you for watching.